just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were into...
Morning everyone. Just getting ready to go for breakfast. It's a sea day today. Kelly's just getting ready still, putting some bits away and that. So we're going to go out for brekkie in a minute. I've just seen on the telly that they've shut some of the outside decks because it's strong winds. So it's sunny, but we can't really go out there. We'll try to see if we can go out there later and just have a look around. But
I'm not going out there and freezing.
But I wanted to go and we wanted to do some sunbathing today, didn't we?
That ain't happening.
So that's probably not going to happen. But we'll go and have a look at later on and see if it's calmed down a bit.
It's always the same.
Yeah, so that's our no plan at the moment for today.
No, we've got to go down to the shore excursion desk because we got a letter through last night saying that one of our itineraries has changed on one of the excursions, and we want to go over it and make sure it's not changed too much, because obviously when you book an excursion you book it because of
what you're doing on it.
Yeah. So we want to check out that, really, make sure it's not just sort of...
Well, it's been like it's not all just been cancelled and they just go into like one or two bits on it and not added anything to it, rather than just taking stuff away and keeping it, you know, not putting anything extra on. So we go down there and see them about that.
Check it out, make sure.
Yeah, so we've got that to do today. But we'll take you with
apart
us
from
anyway.
that, yeah, we haven't really got anything planned, have we?
No, we'll take the Horizon with us to brekkie so we can have a look.
Yeah, see what's going on.
We'll see in a bit.
We're down just in the atrium at the minute because we went down for breakfast, but it's busy. It's 10 to 9.
Yeah.
And we've got to wait for a table, so they're giving us a buzzer.
Yeah, it does seem that we're busier on board since everyone's joined.
Yeah.
It was busy at dinner last night as well. So I don't know if more people have got on than got off.
I thought it was going to be quieter because the Easter holidays is finished.
Yeah.
But
it doesn't seem to be, does it?
Not with the restaurant, unless it's because it's a little bit later.
Maybe. We'll see tomorrow, maybe.
Yeah, because sometimes we come down early, don't we?
Yeah. But we have been down this sort of time.
Yeah.
It's not been like this. We've never had to wait for breakfast
Never
before.
had to wait for breakfast, no. We've always got a table straight away.
So hopefully it gets in, because it actually shuts in about half an hour or so.
Yeah, I hope so. But yeah, so it's quite quiet around here, though.
Yeah, it's quiet around here.
Everyone must be in the buffet and in the restaurants.
Yeah, eating their brekkie.
Yeah.
First day on for a lot of people, so...
It's probably a late breakfast for a lot of people.
Yeah, get up late after a long day yesterday travelling.
Yeah.
As you see, very quiet. Right, having breakfast, and they've sort of forgotten about us a bit this morning. No toast has been delivered. That's what I got at first and last to be served. Kelly's got some fruit tea this morning though. And almond milk. And Alpen, I've got Alpen as well this morning. We'll see when our toast arrives.
Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me?
I think we waited about 10 minutes for our buzzer to go.
Yeah.
So it wasn't too bad.
No, it wasn't too bad.
No.
Yeah, it's about 9 o'clock the time we got in, wasn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, for 9:30 now.
Breakfast has turned up, usual. Usual for breakfast. We've just come in here for a talk on Tag watches.
Hello. We're in Malibar.
Yeah. Just watched the Tag Heuer presentation and Tanzanite one.
Only because we were still sat in it and the next one came on.
Yeah.
We was looking at we went down about our excursion as well.
Yeah.
The other day. The one where we got really wet and cold on that one.
Yeah.
Dura, Sail and Springs.
Yeah, so basically we missed everything out on it. We didn't do it as you see, like we didn't do it.
I didn't stick to the itinerary, but basically what she says is you, in the terms and conditions,
they can change anything.
Yeah, they can change anything and you can't get your money back.
Or anything. So basically if you book a trip and it says whatever it says on it, they can completely change it to something totally different.
and
it's tough luck.
nothing you can do about it.
So really be careful about
Yeah.
what you choose.
So because of that, we've cancelled one of our excursions.
Yeah, because it was a boat one again.
Yeah, and basically she said, well, if it's weather's bad, you'll just be getting on the train.
Yeah, and
Which
the
is-
idea of it is to see everything from the coast. 'Cause
Yeah,
all the houses
looking up like the
on the cliff side.
yeah.
Obviously from the train you can't see anything.
Basically, we didn't want to risk it again.
No, because the
It's
weather's
too
not been
much
great.
money just to throw away for not getting what you thought you were getting.
No, so be careful when you do it.
Yeah, so we're going to be thinking a lot more into excursions from now on.
Yeah, especially boat ones if you're in this time of the year.
time
During
of
the
the
summer you've got a good chance of being alright.
Yeah,
But like winter and spring and autumn and that, yeah, be careful.
yeah. I think, like you said, it's a lot to do with the time of year.
Yeah.
We finished in Malibar now, so we're going to head
Back
out
to
of
the
here,
room.
chuck the brochure back in.
Yeah, grab my phone so I can check my what holiday I've got available. Obviously I do split shifts, so I need to see what dates there are so we can see if we can match it up with a cruise next year.
Yeah. So, and then by that time it'll be lunch probably.
Yeah. Do some more eating.
Yeah. In a bit.
We're just waiting here to go and see about cruise next year, haven't we? Get a price on something on our here. Yes, cruise sales, future cruise sales. This is the area.
Because it's sea day.
Yeah, it's a sea day, so everyone's queuing up for excursions over that side. And we're in the queue for this side, which is future cruise sales. We've got stir fried corn.
Corn with 3 bits of corn on it.
Free corn, what I've got.
3.
I've got 3 as well.
Counted out.
And some chunky chips.
So it was last time when we got corn, it was counted out when it was
Yeah.
I don't know why.
No, it's very weird.
Silly.
Yeah, double helping, you might get 8.
Silly design.
Lemon.
But it was,
Lemon and popsy cheesecake.
it didn't say that. It said a different name.
Oh, did it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It didn't say lemon, but it said something else as well. So I didn't know if it was going to be the same. But it was
okay.
nice anyway the
Yeah,
other
it was.
day.
And I've got
Apple, baked apple,
cinnamon roasted apple.
cinnamon roasted apple.
It's a bit to the side. I think it's like on that, but it's still across.
It's supposed to be like that.
Yeah. Get tucking in.
Okay, so I think the last time we filmed was at lunch,
Yep.
which we enjoyed. Just been in the cabin because we've been looking at cabins for our next cruise.
Yeah.
See what ones we would like. We don't normally book a
Select.
set price, do we? We normally
No.
do early saver, but they had quite good onboard spending money, so it works out like the same.
Yeah, similar price, yeah.
Yeah. So
Have a
we're
couple of
considering, we haven't
choices.
booked it or anything
No.
yet, but we're considering,
Yeah. We're just going to check a few prices out on that, aren't we?
yeah, first.
Before we commit.
Yeah. So we've been doing that really. So now we're going to go for a little walk, get some fresh air
Yeah.
before we get ready for tonight.
Yeah. So,
We're going on the promenade.
yeah, go on promenade. Hopefully we won't get blown away.
Yeah, it is quite windy out there.
Yeah. We'll take
So
you
we'll
down
take
there.
the camera along with us. Brave the promenade deck.
Yeah, we're around the promenade. It's not as windy as what we thought, actually.
No,
It's quite nice.
yeah. Might be around the other side.
Yeah, it might be. We'll see.
Yeah, you'll see when we go around. There are boats above.
You can see as we're walking under them.
Yeah.
Flip it around, you can have a look.
I don't wanna go and waste another day. Mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me.
So yeah, this side's a lot sunnier.
Sunny side.
Yeah, sunny side, this side, babe.
Yeah. It's quite windier.
Very windy, as you can see. By my lovely hair.
Nice hair.
So it looks like over the side.
Yeah.
Can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely. I know you don't wanna talk, but just pick up the phone. We could go for a walk, talk about the things we know. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally.
Sun's
Sunny.
finally coming out.
Yeah. Hopefully for tomorrow it's going to be good.
Another day, mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you
hard walk.
Yeah.
A bit windy, but it's alright.
Yeah, it's nice bit of fresh air for a change.
Yeah.
Yeah, sun's shining really strong, feel on my legs.
Yeah.
Like warm.
Might go up to the top deck and
Yeah,
see what it's like.
yeah, should we go there now?
Yeah, see how warm it is.
Go up top.
Yeah.
So just having a little sit down in the back by the terrace pool.
The sun's shining, so we thought we'd make the most of it.
Yeah, it's a little bit cold.
Yeah, you can't sunbathe.
No.
It's nice to sit in,
sun's
isn't it?
nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
The weather's not been good.
The weather's
like
nice,
you say.
you come and chill out here all the time.
Yeah, that's right. Just scattered around there, you can see where we are. We're just out here. You see it all. In the pool.
Right, it's back.
Yeah, right at the very back. Got a few layers you can sit in up here.
So we're probably going to chill here for a bit now until it's time to get ready for
celebration on.
Yeah, might as well, don't we?
Yeah, definitely. Relax a bit in the sunshine.
Yeah, it's 10 to 4, so
Yeah, so we've got a few hours before we need to be ready.
yeah. See you at dinner time.
See you at dinner time.
Right, Matt's just gone to get me fruit tea. We'll come into the buffet section at the back because we've got cold outside. Yes, and my tea.
Okay, mate.
Thank you.
Just one little sugar in it.
Sugar in it for me?
Big spoon for you.
Thanks for getting my tea anyway.
Anything for you, darling. Stir fried corn,
Oh,
quinoa with mixed vegetables, and focaccia.
it's like another lunch.
It's just a snack. Right, so this is EPICUREAN on deck 17 at the back. We've just come to see if we can, if they can do anything vegan for us. But there's no one here. There's a menu outside that's got a few vegetarian bits on it, so we don't know if they can maybe alter it slightly. But this is what it looks like. It's very nice, isn't it? This is sort of like the
people in the
waiting
kitchen.
area where you wait before you get seated, and then you have seats all around here. Yeah, we've only come up here because our waiter that we had years and years ago, Nep, when we first started cruising,
Yeah.
we just met him. We haven't seen him for like 6 years. We met him in the buffet, and we just were chatting to him, and he said he works in here now. He said you can come up here and like then I'll be able to sort you something out. But there's no one here at the moment.
Well, I can
And there's
hear
nothing
you
in
the
the. Oh yeah, there's people in the kitchen. You can't really bowl into the kitchen. So we might come up here maybe tomorrow afternoon or something like that, or the next day or whatever. Maybe we see if we can sort something out.
Yeah, we'll have to do
We'll
a
have a chat
quick
with them and see.
before our anniversary
Yeah, because we were thinking if we can come here, we'll come here instead
of Cindy.
Cindy. But we'll see. Alright, so we just got back from
EPICUREAN, and the outcome of that was don't book a table until the chef decides whether she can cater for us or not.
Yeah, so because it's not on the menu and nothing on the menu is for us, she's got to actually pass it up higher to see if she can have permission basically to make us something. So we're just waiting on a phone call now, aren't we?
Yeah, we've got to wait for like over a day probably.
Yeah, by tomorrow we should know.
Yeah.
So fingers crossed they can do something. If not, we're still booked into Cindy, so we've got that anyway.
But they did say that they were really busy, so we might not even get a table. So
No, so the time they decided they might be
we're
sold
not
out.
going to get a table anyway.
Yeah.
So we'll see.
Yeah.
Be nice if we can though, because it is our anniversary.
And it is a really nice place because we've done it years ago. didn't
Yeah,
we?
and it'll be special then for our anniversary meal.
In fact, we went there for our 20th anniversary
We did, yeah.
on a cruise, so it is nice. It's special. It's like a 5-course meal you have there, isn't it?
We'll show you the menu if we go.
Yeah. So that's what's happening, and now we're just going to get ready for tonight.
We are indeed, and go and have some more food. Evening.
Evening.
We're all ready to go out now.
Yeah.
It's
dressed up.
20 to 7.
Yeah, so we're
Good.
ahead of schedule
Yeah.
really for us.
Yeah, definitely.
We'll go out and have some dinner,
Yeah.
and then we've got the evening to ourselves then.
Yeah. Go and enjoy some entertainment and
Yeah.
our food.
That's right. Show you what Kelly's wearing.
This is what I'm wearing.
Yes.
Red shoes again, because they're the only ones I bought with
Yeah,
me.
she didn't bring those like last time. Nice little number, and very nice.
Yeah, just plain black dress today.
Yeah.
Matt's got his black suit on.
A black suit on. That's what we look like. Yeah, so we are now off out to have some dinner.
Yeah. Hello.
Yes, we've
Got a pager again.
Yeah, it's really busy, isn't it?
Yeah, it seems
never
it.
been this busy this early.
Not really, no. It's only just open, really.
Yeah.
Obviously, there must have been a queue, I reckon.
Yeah,
to
there was
get
a queue in front of us as well, wasn't there?
Yeah.
About 8 or 10
I reckon there's
people.
people queuing to get in at 6:30.
Yeah, it must be.
We've got a pager, so we just come up to Blue Bar.
Yeah. Got our free drink.
Well, this was from Sail Away, which we forgot to get.
Yeah, so still a free drink though. Lovely champagne prosecco that we tend to not like.
It's free though.
It's free. Yeah, so we're going to drink these and hopefully our page will go off soon and then we can get some dinner.
Yeah.
No, there's a piano player. Oh, he's just finished by the looks of it. It's definitely a bit more busier.
Not as
In this
busy as
bit.
here though.
No, but down there it's empty.
Oh, and in here, normally you can't get a seat.
So everyone's must
In
be
the
in the restaurant.
Yeah, we'll get them ready.
Oh, plus.
Yeah.
So we'll see how the evening will turn out. Cheers everyone.
Cheers.